It's a 2004 Peterbilt 379X. It's special edition. It's one of the first 100s off of the line. So we restored it about 4 years ago back to OEM, and then now we've made some upgrades to it, lowered it, put a different bumper on it, some new fenders in the rear, customized the fifth wheel, airbox lines and stuff. It is actually the C15 A-Cert Caterpillar, 18-speed transmission with 355 rears. We did a platinum overhaul on it about 400,000 miles ago. It was rough. Yeah, it was in rough shape. We did the whole frame-off restoration of it. Every bolt, every nut went over it, stripped it down. The colors of the truck are unique to the truck because these are actually 2015 colors. They rolled them out on the Pride in Class. Well, they weren't going to let us paint it this color because they wanted to save it for their Pride in Classes that they were getting ready to roll out. So once we told them it was a 379X special edition, we sent them the VIN number, the title, and Peterbilt contacted us back and said, all right, we'll send you guys the paint codes, since it is the actual X limited edition or special edition, yeah.